welcome back. Today we're doing a quick overview of the Symphony Suites located in Ipoh, Malaysia. You can see this hotel has a nice drop-off area if you're grabbing your way to the hotel. They do have a large parking lot if you are driving on your trip. Speaking of large, you can see this is a nice spacious lobby. Plenty of room if you're waiting for other members of your party. And they do have a little store next to the check-in counter where you can pick up some items. Looks like they got some ice cream if you need it. Here's a look at the room. Up front you have a small living room area, as well as when you walk in there's a bathroom right there next to the front door and a sink. We'll take a look at the sink in a minute. We were still on the road trip, so you get to see the twin bed configuration for the room. But there was plenty of space there. And you can see there's a computer desk there in the corner of the room. That counter had plenty of space if you needed to throw stuff out up and work on stuff. Hey Bill, how you doing? If you set your alarm on your phone, you can use that right there. Here we got the safe. You got your slippers, of course, the ironing and iron board, as well as plenty of space to hang up any clothes with you. You can see they provided an extra pillow there. Here we have the toilet. Basic setup. I would say this bathroom is definitely a little bit on the smaller side for sure. But you do have, I'd say, medium amount of counter space there. And you can see they have the hair dryer provided for you, which is always nice. See, we have the shower head as well as the spray nozzle. No complaints there. Basic walk-in shower, but it was more than suffice. Did a good job. You can see they provided plenty of towels. You can see bathroom's a little bit tight, but you can get done what you need to get done and head out for the day. Here's up front by the front door. Here you have the little coffee tea setup along with a sink. And they have plenty of space underneath if you need to store additional items that you have with you. This would probably come into, there's your little mini fridge. So all this space would probably come into handy a lot more if you were doing an extended stay at this location, obviously. Here we'll take a quick look at the fitness center. We're actually going to skip the breakfast at this location. They do offer one, but we had alternative plans that morning and we only ended up staying at this location for one night. So I apologize. I'll have to do this video without the breakfast. But as far as the fitness center, you can see you got plenty of space. And it wasn't busy. I went up here twice and neither time was there anybody up here. So
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.